Hey everyone, welcome back to ExpertFunda. So in today's video, we are going to simplify this problem where it sounds like a complicated problem, but it's actually a super neat trick, you can say here, right? So if you observe the questions, right, if you go through the example, you will clearly understand that this lead code problem number 1526 says that we have given a target array we have given, right, and there is another initial array also we have given, which is having the same size of the target, but initially it's all the elements is 0, right? So we have to increment the element in such a way we can make from initials to target easily, okay? And those number of operations that we will provide to increment, right, each time we have to count. So increment 1, increment 2, increment 3 means 3 times. So this is our output we have to return, right? Means you can say, imagine like you start with all the zeros, right, of an array, right, and in one move you can pick any contiguous subarray and you want to increase every element in that subarray by 1, correct? So what is our goal? Our goal is to form the given target array, right, and from the initials we have to build, right? समझ में आ रहा है कि क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि व्हाट इज द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ दोज मूव्स रिक्वायर्ड, करेक्ट? हमें टारगेट दिया हुआ है और इनिशियलिस्ट में क्या दे रखा है? हमें ये एरे भी, इनिशियल एरे भी दे रखा है। हमें इस तरह से इंक्रीमेंट करना है। लेट्स सपोज वेरी फर्स्ट फ्रॉम इनिशियल्स को सारे एलिमेंट को इंक्रीमेंट कर दिया, क्या मिला मुझे? सारे 1 हो जाएंगे। बट नाउ वी हैव टू टेक, वी हैव टेकन फुल सब एरे, राइट? A complete array is also a subarray, right? और उसके बाद क्या होता है? We have 3 elements are also there, 1 1 1. So if 3 elements will pick from these 5, right, this is also called subarray, right? So इस तरह से हम elements उठाएंगे कि हमें target हम बना सके, right? And that is why we have to make each time the increment in a कह सकते हैं कि in a inclusive from index to index, you can say, right? So we can pick a contiguous subarray. You can see we are taking contiguous arrays here, then only 2, and like that we will do, and we'll make the minimum subarray. Okay, let me show you how I have done that. So very first, let's suppose we have given the target array we have given, right? If the target is null and its length is 0, means we will not do anything, we'll return 0. Then take a let's suppose that target we have is at 0 is our answer, right? We will update later, it's okay. So we'll say, okay, target at 0 is nothing but our answer. Okay, let's start from 1 and go to the length, right? Each time from the current one we will do minus the previous one, correct? So we will get the difference. If this difference is greater than 0, will increment in the answer. The difference, that the difference is coming, that we will get added in the answer. In that case, if you see, you will get the answer, right? So let's suppose that we are going to take an example. Okay, let me take the red one. Okay, so very first we have, let's suppose this target we have given, okay, and this target is nothing but is 1 2 3 2 and 1. This is what we had given, right? So we'll say, okay, this is what we have given. Okay, now think that if we have this answer, right, we will take this one at answer, right? This is what we are doing. See, we are taking the target at answer, right, here. So we'll take this answer here. Let's say we'll say, okay, very first take in the answer as a target at 0, that is nothing but you have is 1, correct? Means from 0 we are going to make 1, right? Means we need how many operations we required, right? 1. That is why we say, okay, from 0 to make this 1 we have to make 1, correct? Now loops begin. We'll go from the here from 0 to from 1 to the target. Means let's talk about this one now. Okay, so currently we have is 2 and the previous one is -1, right? This one -1. So what is the difference is coming? So the difference is coming is 1, right? Now if the difference is greater than 0, I'm saying if the difference is greater than 0, we will add into the answer. Means to make this field from 0 to 2, what is the answer should be there? Answer should be what? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 1 we will get from here, right? And this is nothing but our difference, right? So this difference we will get added here. Okay, now we'll move to here. Next time we'll go here. We'll say again difference is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now what is coming here? The difference coming 1, so it will get added here. So we'll add one more here. We'll get what? How many? 3. So if you go to the next, so it is not greater than 0 for here, and here we are not getting the greater than 0, so we'll not update in the answer, and finally our answer will return as a 3. This is what we are doing, guys. But अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ओके, क्या कर रहे हैं, हम सोच के चलते हैं कि हमारा इनिशियल्स जो एरे है क्या है, हमारा सारा 0 है ऑफ द सेम साइज 0 0 0 0 0, राइट. फ्रॉम यहाँ से अगर इस 1 को लेके बनाना है, फ्रॉम 0 to 1 अगर हमें बनाना है, मीन्स फ्रॉम इनिशियल एरे दिस इज अवर इनिशियल एंड दिस इज अवर टारगेट. सो इनिशियल का 0 से अगर 1 लेके जाना है तो कितना हमें इंक्रीमेंट करना पड़ेगा? ऑपरेशंस 1 ऑपरेशन रिक्वायर्ड होगा, राइट. सो विल से आंसर इज 1. फिर अगेन विल चेक फॉर द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट. सो फ्रॉम, बिकॉज अब हम सबको 1 1 कर चुके हैं, राइट, ऑल आर 1 1. नाउ टू मेक 2 फ्रॉम दिस 1, how many is required? So 2 minus 1 will get the difference, and वो difference हम add कर देंगे. So now अब सारे, not this one I'm talking about, अब ये कितना जगह 2 2 2 like that we will take, right. बट हम ऐसे नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम एक इस पे में कर रहे हैं कि उसके एलिमेंट चेक कर रहे हैं, राइट. जो एलिमेंट बड़ा होते जा रहा है उस पर हम चेक करेंगे टारगेट से, और टारगेट से ही चेक करेंगे. नहीं तो ऐसे हम बहुत सारी पॉसिबिलिटी लेना पड़ेगा कि हमें पहले कौन सा यूज़ करें, कहाँ से कहाँ तक यूज़ करें, राइट. तो उससे बचने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? आपको टारगेट यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, राइट. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, इफ़ वी विल यूज़ द व्हाट यू कॉल विंडो फॉर द सब array, right, and then we will operate or do the operations, right, that is not correct way. In that case you have to find all the possible subarrays, right, and then you have to apply those things. So it will go in the nested loop and you will try like that, either you will go the sliding window, other things. So better आप क्या करो, you should use the target one, and from there you find the difference and you will apply the answer. In case if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and please reach out to me in case you are not understanding. Okay, and guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.